Why do some YouTubers blow up with millions of views while others stay stuck at 200? Because a killer video idea is 70% of success. And here's a 4-step formula pros use to get it right. Step 1. Killer topic. Pick something people are already searching for. Example, I tried Mr. Beast's morning routine. Relatable and clickable. Step 2. Format. Your idea is only as good as its format. Challenge, vlog, reaction, tutorial. Example, surviving 24 hours on $1. A challenge format that hooks viewers. Step 3. Add an angle. What makes your video different? Add stakes, twists, time limits. Example, with no food or water. Now people have to watch. Step 4. The elimination test. Ask yourself, will my audience care? Can I pull it off? Will it make people click? Does it fit my brand? Remember, not every idea needs to be viral. Mix viral bangers with fun and creative videos to avoid burnout. For more YouTube growth hacks, hit that subscribe button.